Bingo.
Congratulations, Apostle. Wait.
Also for Owusu with the masa.
I say, Aba. Soba.
That's how about you. Owusu with Nana. I told you is Nkeka.
Because the way they do that is
Masa, what do you have in here?
Certain bottom.
What do you have?
Rob, why do you can bring a sheet or Robbie? Brown envelope will be a good.
whether provisions or cook food or whatever.
So where is your ministry located? Is it Hezekiah Apostolic or what?
I told you it is not a church.
So where do you meet?
Oh, it is just a prayer.
So where do you meet to pray?
We can meet anywhere.
Like where?
Get a place, rent a place, depending.
So have you registered it?
Have I
registered it?
No.
It's not registered?
No, it's not registered.
So you have other associate pastors or what? People you pray with, who help you pray?
Oh yeah, we have. Yes, I was.
So you are the lead pastor?
Yeah, it's my mission.
Yeah. So you say what's that? You're an apostle?
Yeah.
Apostle. These things. So when you're apostle, so is it the wind that gives you the power to speak or what? So for point of view to tell me that I'll change my life, then you and I are into buy this smoking weed and stuff, and how can you push me? Or I should do what you say, not what you do. It's rather unfortunate. Rather unfortunate. So yeah, Kwabena Owusu Adjei. Where do you come from?
I'm Ashanti.
Ashanti, which part?
Masokore.
Masokore. So you have 56 years.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting. Are you married?
Not presently.
Or you have kids?
Masokore.
Masokore. So you have 56 years.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting. Are you married?
Not presently.
Or you have kids?
Yeah.
How many kids do you have? 4.
I saw a man.
He's not married, but he has kids. Or you are married?
I said not presently.
So there's no legal thing to show that you're married. You're not married.
No.
We have 4 kids. Wow, interesting. So in Kumasi, where do you live in Kumasi? Stadium. And Accra as Greater Estate.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I will live in that older community.
Hey!
Bingo.
Congratulations, Apostle. Wait.
Also for Owusu with the masa.
I say,
Aba.
Soba.
That's how about you. Owusu with Nana. I told you is Nkeka.
Because the way they do that is
Masa, what do you have in here?
Certain bottom.
What do you have?
Rob, why do you can bring a sheet or Robbie? Brown envelope will be a good.
Awaya just a Ghana you crow papa. Now where do you know member? Sa ti ase didi. Esa be cancel hu. Wonya be manche obi awu. Ghana ye nyina ye dia. Ye ntra ho e ma da bia mo mfa hunhuna. We are going to do this. We are going to fight this. We will all fight. We will all fight.
Obviously, you have two borders. Obi anko baby.
Ono a osofo no e fe na me ba ho. Mumbo sa osofo de no.
Prince and Mame sat we no osofo Owusu Adjei as saying. No, say.
Only sorry.
Enti dey na to trust me brebe. Take a listen to osofo and Nenia Brea. Honestly speaking, viewers discretion exercise here because atemwa Odi Omampeni His Excellency Adodanko Akufo-Addo na e be very disturbing. Okaya di bi back enso. Now, other intelligence visual. We could baby just within 24 hours. ODD Kennedy Agyapong very bad. Did not attempt. But Ken is here to give him a befitting response. Take a listen to this tape.
There would have been no need to change history. We all know that it was Kwame Nkrumah who led us into independence. Nobody can change that history. Nobody. Dankwa didn't do Foko. Dankwa is a ritual murderist. They should come and ask me. He murdered his own brother, Agyei Mensa, the chief of Adjei, so that they can blacken the stool of Ofuriatta, his half brother. This nonsense will not be tolerated. Are they the only Ghanaians? Why should we allow one small family to dictate to us? It will never happen. Let me tell them something. In June 4, people were crying, let the blood flow. It was only military people whose blood flowed. Correct? Today, as I hear let the blood flow, it is the blood of the Adjei mafias that will flow. There are two ways that I see. If we allow Akufo-Addo and his stupid Mensa, that stupid girl, that idiot of a girl. Look, I'm telling Mensa today, me, my grandmother, she has what every woman has. My mother, she has the same thing. All my sisters have the same thing. And everybody is born of a woman. If Mensa thinks she was not born of a woman, but came from some other angle, she should go ahead and do the new register. Let me watch her. She will die 12 midday. She will die just like that. Nonsense. Idiot. You are a foolish girl, Mensa. You are an idiot. I'm telling you today. Try it and you see. What kind of nonsense is that? You think you are better than us Ghanaians? You are better than the Christian Council who have advised you? Better than the House of Chiefs? Nonsense. Stupid Akufo-Addo girl. What about damn papa? She mean a yo. Common sense go muni bi. Cause you're for. When say Ghana ye to mama. Moi. Jimmy 4. Look, let me tell you something. Odifo Kwabena, he said 9 prominent MPP people will die before MPP wins power. Sometimes the prophecy doesn't come from me, but when the prophecy is authentic, God will tell me, monitor that prophecy. So I started monitoring. Now, I remember in 2015, before Parliament broke, the Lord told me, tell MPP to organize prayers at the Western region. I didn't know who to tell because I didn't want to go. Me, I don't like pride. Then the Lord said, well, Kennedy Agyapong says he's their financier, so go and tell him. So I went to Parliament, filled the visitors form, and then he came, he called me. In fact, I'll be very honest, he gave me respect. After that, but when he called me, suddenly about 45 people popped up from nowhere. Honorable my rent, honorable my school fees, honorable my medicine. I said, hey, is that what is going on? So we couldn't even dialogue. So I just summarized what I had to tell him. And then he asked me to call him the next day, 5 a.m. I didn't know he woke up so early. And when I called, he was up. He had his bath and he was on his way to work. You know what he told me? Was this awful? Oh, he told me, he said, wait, Jimmy, down, and I'm sure honorable Mati. Or some Jimmy, someone you might. My Jimmy, MP4, my Jimmy, free throw copying form. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong say, my Jimmy, Nanado MPP, or Nanado MPP, and a Kennedy Agyapong with Jimmy, Baumia or MPP, and a Kennedy Agyapong with Jimmy, or Ofuriatta or MPP. Safma for MPP, Jimenez or MPP, and I can depose and can't tell what Jimmy. What Jimmy for? When Jimmy, I come on here, Mister, we are waiting for you. Hey, Mofasa, the fire will fall. Do you know what I saw? I saw Agyei, the palace. I saw it on fire. And people were saying, let the blood flow. And I said, whose blood? They said, the Agyei mafia. Gabriel Chedakon, Asante Bedie Tuo. Name them, Safomafo. They'll round you all up. Do you know, thanks be to God, because of Corona, all the borders are closed. Nobody's going anywhere. We are all here. Until if you like, do what is right and live peacefully, or do what will cause the fire to burn, and the fire will burn you. Nobody's going anywhere. So that Pat Noah Togo now, Pat Noah free play now go Dubai. No, we are all here. We are all here. Nobody's going anywhere. Akufo-Addo, don't open the borders. Don't open the borders now. We will deal with you before the borders are open. You will do the right thing.